Ladies and gentlemen, check it out. The brand new AWE exhaust has arrived. The Captain America C8 is finally gonna get the exhaust that it deserves. You guys are about to hear a completely different sound from the Captain America C8 Corvette. So now I just have to load the AWE exhaust up, take it to Classic Chevrolet. They're gonna do the install, and the Captain America will have that exhaust on it, I think, tomorrow. It's all loaded up and ready to go to Classic. All right, so I'm here at Classic and I'm gonna drop off the exhaust with Cody. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're excited about this episode, give it a big thumbs up, please. Thank you to my thumbs up squad for already smashing that thumbs up button. I hugely appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't joined this wonderful Brink of Speed community, please do me a favor and smash that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so as you saw there, I took my AWE exhaust to Classic Chevrolet, dropped it off, and now I'm headed back to get it installed. So by the time this video is done, you guys will get to hear it, see it, and love it. So let's get going. All right, so this is gonna be the last time you guys get to hear a cold start with the Armytrix exhaust, so here you go. So ladies and gentlemen, it's not quite as sad as I just made it out to be that I'm getting rid of Armytrix. Yes, I'll probably miss certain sounds that exhaust gave me. I'm really hoping that I enjoy the AWE just as much as I enjoy the Armytrix. And speaking of AWE, this video is brought to you by AWE. It is sponsored by AWE because they want to get my impressions of it. They know I've already had an aftermarket exhaust. They want to see what I think about their 100% American-made exhaust for the Captain America C8. So I can't wait to get this on. I can't wait to hear the differences. So let's do a little snap travel and get to Classic Chevrolet quickly. All right, guys, so as you saw, I pulled into Classic Chevrolet and I'm bringing it into the actual bay now. This is the bay we're bringing it in. Exciting times. All right, so we're opening the exhaust now here. All right, so as you can see, it's all spread out here. These are all the parts, and my favorite part of this is the new tips. These are gonna look really good on Captain America. These are called Black Diamond, and as you will see, these things are huge. Let me take one of these out. Look how massive that is. I believe if we take this to the back, it's probably gonna be close to the same size, if not the exact same size. Oh no, these are bigger. So these are 4-inch, I guess, and these are 4.5. You can definitely see that these are bigger. Wow, massive, massive tips. Look at that. Can't wait. So I was looking at the tips and noticed that there is a blow pop sucker in here. That is a nice touch. Thank you, Brandon. Appreciate it. Wow. Amazing. Real attention to detail. So ladies and gentlemen, as I've said multiple times, if you need something done to your Chevy product, or heck, even if you don't have a Chevy car or truck, bring it to Classic Chevrolet. Joe and the team take excellent care of you. They are the best service department I think I've ever been to. They just do an outstanding job. They are all about 100% you, the customer. So there goes Keith, my Uber, or I'm sorry, not Uber driver, but shuttle driver from Classic. And when I get inside, I'll go over some stuff with you. So as you saw there, I dropped my car off at Classic Chevrolet, and it is currently having the new AWE exhaust installed. It shouldn't be too long, and then you guys will be able to actually hear it. When I get there, I'll have them start it up so you can hear the difference right away. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like, especially because those tips are about ½ an inch bigger, if not more, than the current tips that I have. So that should make a little bit of a difference. I really hope it has the snap, crackle, and pop that my last exhaust had, especially downshifting from second to third. So as soon as I get back to Classic Chevrolet, you guys will see the new product installed. All right, so back here at Classic Chevrolet, and the new exhaust is installed. This is the old Armytrix exhaust. All off, and wow, there's the new AWE on. That is cool. It's kind of like stealth now. You can't really see it.
Get down low, you can kind of see if you got.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Got that branding.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. You can see right in there for that.
Hopefully stick out a little bit.
Yeah. Pretty awesome. All right, let's hear it. Nice. So like I said, I will do the same thing on this as I did on my Armytrix, show you guys 0 to 60s, show you guys flybys, and I'll put a GoPro next to the exhaust pipe so you guys can hear it. When I'm on my way home, I'll show you how it sounds in the cockpit as well. All right, so this is kind of crazy. It's totally different than my old exhaust. It is definitely a totally different type of sound. It's a quieter sound. It's a smoother sound than the Armytrix exhaust. And wow, it looks great. It does sound great. I'm gonna see what it sounds like with the windows down once I get going. But for now, I wanted to show you guys what it sounds like right now. Sounds really good. It's pretty good. It's not as loud as the Armytrix, but it is still nice and loud. Stay tuned.